Here's how to make money online with this one simple side hustle if you're a college student or even fresh grad. It's called drop servicing. No special skills needed. Now, alam ko matagal ka na nagsasearch on how to make money and karamihan na nakikita mo is kailangan ng experience, kailangan ng skills, kailangan ng bayad. And alam ko yan kasi pinagdaanan ko lahat yan. And para sa akin, ang perfect na side hustle talaga for students is drop servicing dahil personally, hindi ako naglabas ng pera. Now, paano ba kapag sinabing drop servicing? First is maghahanap ka ng client, then maghahanap ka ng freelancer na gagawa ng work. So, isipin mo para kang middleman, para kang Grab, tapos pinag-connect mo yung pasahero sa driver. Now, paano nga ba yung step-by-step ng drop servicing? First is pick a service. Let's use video editing for example. Second is hire freelancer. Saan? Sa Fiverr, sa Facebook, sa IG, and sa mga social media platforms. Third is get client. Saan? Sa Upwork, sa OLJ, sa Facebook. Then, after that is get cash. And by the way guys, ilalagay ko sa community yung ginagamit kong cover letter kapag nag-a-apply ako sa mga freelance job sites, which is nasa link in bio. Now, trust me when I say that drop servicing works dahil nung nag-start ako mag-drop servicing, grade 12 lang ako nung time na yun and I was 17 and ngayon 19 na ako. And nung time na yun, 2 weeks pa lang nung nag-start ako ng drop servicing is kumita na kagad ako ng 30k para lang sa isang YouTube video. So, imagine that for a 17 years old. Now, for more drop servicing resources, join na lang kayo sa community because active ako doon. Link is nasa bio. See you there!